Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage participants on your Zoom meeting. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can manage the participants in a Zoom meeting only and only if you are the host or you have the permissions to. So there are two ways that you can go ahead and do so. One is going to be clicking on host tools, and now this is where you can allow the things and disallow the things to the participants, as you can see. So you can allow share screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves, start videos, share docs, share whiteboards, share. You can just turn off everything if you want to as well. Now the other thing you can do is click on this participants right over here, which says manage participants, as you can see. Now all you need to do is, if you don't want someone there, you can simply click on the triple dot icon and there's going to be a kick option. You can also kick people from here. You can also go ahead and unmute and mute them if you want to. You can also turn on their video if you want to. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.